Your most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Hi, everybody. We are going to be getting you ready for the 4th this week. New month starts today, but first a quick weekend recap because we did have some storms. I'll just go over a few of the storm reports. The Doppler radar is nice and quiet. We do expect quiet weather today, and luckily, most of the storms this weekend locally were benign. We had a couple of tornado warnings on Saturday. We did have some wind damage that Kayla mentioned at the top of the show in parts of the region, but the storm reports, the actual verified ones through the Storm Prediction Center, not a lot, and for many of us it was just beneficial rain. There was some hail in Mount Gretna yesterday, dime-size hail north of the Turnpike near Schaeferstown, about there it is, 7/10 of an inch in diameter, and some wind damage in Columbia too, trees down just off of Penn Street. So wind damage, some hail reports, a lot of heavy rain, but of course we needed that rain, and here's what it looks like. In fact, the southern tier looks like it did the best with the rain, but on average across the whole region, when we box us off here in south central Pennsylvania, the average accumulation over the entire weekend was over an inch, and that was good, decent rainfall. So June is no longer going to be a dry month for us, at least by the numbers. I know it still seems that way, but we will take it. Clearing out here over Hummelstown as we start July, 64 degrees. A little bit of a northerly breeze already kicking around, and dew points have dropped now into the 50s. So it's going to be very comfortable as high pressure moves in. A couple of clouds still around, but it's going to be a nice day, and that sunshine is going to dominate here over the next 2 days. Down to 54 in Chambersburg. Everybody else in the low to mid 60s yet, but the real difference here today is a significant drop in overnight temperatures by about 10 to 15 degrees thanks to that front finally coming through yesterday. This is significant, and it really feels nice thanks to the dew points not only dropping into the 50s, but some 40s on the board. And that is how the humidity is going to be here moving into the next 2 days. So very tropical over the weekend, not the case Monday and Tuesday. If you remember Thursday and Friday, we said Monday and Tuesday we're going to echo that, and that's what we have coming here. So very low dew points, dry air in place. We love it. 92 yesterday and humid, and that humidity helped to fuel some storms. Just a trace of rain at the airport. A lot of places got more than that yesterday, but the airport did okay on Saturday, as did many of you out there. So we'll take the rain. We still have about a 4-inch surplus now, which is good. It grew from where we were. Temperatures this morning are starting in the 50s. These are some of the cooler sites around. Mercersburg Academy, Mont Alto, the Country Club of York, and Manheim Central High School, all sitting at 59 degrees. Here's Millersburg. Temperatures are going to climb today, but not a lot. In fact, they're going to stay below normal, and well, many of us may sneak into the low 80s. I'm telling you, I think a lot of us may sit just shy of 80 degrees today, and with the low humidity, it's going to feel nice. There's also going to be a bit of a northerly breeze, so lots happening here. The heat and humidity going away for at least a little bit. Cool and breezy conditions today, sunshine replacing it, high pressure in control tomorrow. We love it. We love it all, and we're going to get it here early this week. So July kick-starting with mostly sunny weather. Cool today, breezy. Tomorrow looks great, a little warmer, but still low humidity. Even Wednesday, the heat starts to return, but the humidity does not. Wednesday's going to be a fairly nice day, too, with lots of sunshine on tap. So breezy this afternoon, a bit of a northerly breeze at about 10 to 20 miles an hour at times. That'll stay with us here through this evening and then start to die out overnight. So let's show you the extended outlook as we move into the 4th of July. Again, the humidity does start to pick up on the 4th, and it stays with us here through the weekend. That could lead along a stalled front to some showers and thunderstorms. I still think most of Thursday looks okay, but I have to mention a stray storm possible. Friday, the same deal as a front kind of just sits and stalls out over the weekend. There could be some stray storms. Does the rain chances look great over the 4th of July weekend? No, it doesn't. But we will mention the chance for a storm. So I think Wednesday will be dry. Heat returns. The humidity doesn't. A heat wave will begin on July 4th, and then it stays hot and humid. The heat's going to peak here Friday into Saturday. So 79 today. Cooler, breezy. What a way to kickstart the month of July. Down to 58 tonight. Open the window. Give the air conditioner a break because you're going to need it later in the week. So let it rest for today. Maybe tomorrow, too, at 85 degrees. That's not bad, especially with low humidity. 88 then on Wednesday, as the heat starts to return, and then we're kind of stuck in the muck. And I say that because it is going to be humid. Temperatures are back in the 90s, heat wave, and maybe a daily thunderstorm out there. But of course, that doesn't mean every backyard's going to see rain. We got lucky this weekend with the rain ending the month of June. We'll take it. We needed it. Now it kind of looks dry and hot again for a while.
And hey, we're ringing in July with beautiful weather.
It's going to be gorgeous today. Yes, indeed.
Gorgeous today, stuck in the muck later in the week, but hey, we've been through it before.
We have this year already, so we're used to it.
We are used to it. Thank you so much, Brett. We will be right back. Stay with us.